The Apple AirPods 2 versus Apple AirPods Pro. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will take a look at the Apple AirPods 2 and how it compares to the new AirPods Pro. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the links in the description below for the products. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. On the left we have the AirPods 2 and on the right is the AirPods Pro. Each come with a user guide and the charging cable. The AirPods 2 come with a Lightning to USB-A and the AirPods Pro come with a Lightning to USB-C. You also get small, medium, large ear tips for the Pro. The AirPods 2 features 5 hours of listening time, 3 hours of talk time, and 24 hours with the case. 15 minutes will give you 2 hours of talk time and 3 hours of listening time. Uses Bluetooth 5.0, tap controls, voice-activated Siri. The charging case uses the Lightning and wireless, and it's not sweat or water resistant. The Pros have similar specs. Some differences are that you get 4.5 hours of listening time with active noise cancellation on, and 5 hours with it off. The quick charge time is a bit faster, and it uses Force Touch. It also has the active noise cancellation and the transparent hearing, and it has an IPX4 rating now for sweat and water resistance. Both cases have the same glossy plastic feel to it, and they feel very similar in weight. The Pro case is definitely a bit wider. Both have the manufacturer markings on the back and it has the brushed finish on the latch. On the front and the bottom of each case you have the status LED and the lightning port. On the back you have the pairing and setup button. The AirPods 2 case is easy to open and close. It uses magnets. Earbuds are also easy to remove and they are secured by magnets as well. The Pro case is also easy to open and has a similar feel to the AirPods 2 case. Uses magnets along with the earbuds, and they are easy to remove. Both cases have wireless charging, and here's the AirPods 2 on the charger. And now the Pro. The AirPods 2 is plastic all around and it's very light. The ear indicator markings are on the bottom of the stem, and it utilizes tap controls on the outer face. Each of the earbuds have charging contacts, microphones, battery, antenna, tap controls, H1 chipset, dual optical sensors, and dual accelerometers. Navigating playback and call controls is just a matter of tapping on the outside or using the voice-activated Siri option. The Pro versions have a shorter stem, but it has the same feel as the AirPods 2. It also has a new ear tip design, and you can easily remove it, and it's just a matter of pressing it back in until you hear a click. Features are very similar to the AirPods 2, but you will notice multiple microphones and the use of a force sensor now to navigate. It's a matter of pressing a few times or holding to activate the functions. A long hold will let you cycle through the ANC and the transparency mode. Pairing for the AirPods Pro is identical to the previous version. Just open the lid and it will show the pop-up window on your device. Follow the prompts to connect. Inside the Bluetooth settings, you can manually toggle the active noise cancellation and transparency options, along with assigning them in each of the earbuds. It also comes with a new fit test that will ensure you have the proper seal. Just put the AirPods on and press the test button, and you will see your results. And here they are side by side. The AirPods 2 is 1.6 inches in length, and the Pro comes in at roughly 1.2 inches. The AirPods 2 case comes in at 1.7 by 0.8 by 2.1 inches. The Pro case comes in at 2.3 by 0.8 by 1.7 inches. The AirPods 2 case weighs in at 40 grams, and the Pro case comes in at 45 grams. The AirPods 2 earbuds come in at roughly 8 grams, and the Pro earbuds come in at 11 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds, as there is no replacement for actually having them on. It will then be followed by microphone samples. Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the Apple AirPods 2 microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the Apple AirPods PRO microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. The microphone was excellent on both. I would have to say that the Pros are much better, as callers have commented on how clear and loud it was. You can use the earbuds independently as well, left or right side. Pairing was instant for both and I had no issues. When testing video with an iOS device, I didn't experience any noticeable latency. Range was also stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the AirPods 2 and the Pro. I have the AirPods 2 on my right ear and the Pros on my left. Sound can be subjective as everyone enjoys different types of sound signatures. Starting off with comfort, the AirPods have been traditionally very comfortable to use as it just sits outside the ear canals. The Pros were surprisingly the same, even with the ear tips. It didn't put too much pressure into the ear canals. and it provided a nice snug seal and fit. I would have to give it to the Pros for the overall comfort, since it will add more support and will not easily fall out. Build and quality are fairly similar, with the plastic feel all around. The Pros are a bit shorter with the stem design and offer more of a secure fit, along with the IPX rating, which is a plus. Both of the tap and force touch controls were easy to use and responsive. Now let's talk about sound. I would say this will have to go to the AirPods Pro. It's definitely an improvement all around. You get more of a prominent bass and it's tighter, which the AirPods 2 lacked. It's not overwhelming bass, but definitely taken up a notch from the previous version. Mids and highs also come in a bit louder on the Pros. Vocals come in clear and really stand out. It seems that everything has been pushed up a bit from the overall sounds. I think having the ear tip design creates a seal to be more immersive rather than the previous version, which it lacked. The active noise cancellation was very easy to toggle, and I would say that it's pretty impressive. I had the HVAC running in the background and also a few fans, and could clearly hear the difference when turning it on and off. It definitely won't replace the ANC quality of, say, over-the-ear headphones, but it definitely works. Transparency setting was also easy to use, and it picked up a lot of the ambient sounds. So overall, I think if you have the regular AirPods and are happy with it, there's no reason to upgrade to the Pros. Now, if you have issues with it staying into place or looking for an IPX rating for activities, then this is worth considering. And also, if you want to stay with the Apple ecosystem, then it's worth it. I definitely think the sounds are an improvement, but buying these just for the sounds alone, then I would definitely choose something else. At this price point, there are many earbuds that can outperform it for far less. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.